Hello and welcome to the session on role of mass media in education. Education is the backbone of a society. Education improves the quality of human life. It lays the foundation for a progressive society. As such, educational institutions play a significant role in shaping a society. However, educational institutions may not succeed in fulfilling the educational objectives of the developing societies in their own. They require the support of mass media to raise awareness and spread information to a large number of people in an effective manner. Mass media can be used as channels of education through which a variety of educational programs can be successfully implemented. It is a potential tool to communicate to a large number of people in a meaningful and cost effective way. In this unit, we will know about the significance and role of mass media in education. We will also examine the different forms of mass media and their role in spreading education. What is mass media? Mass media can be defined as the channels of communication through which information is communicated to a large number of people simultaneously. Mass media is a broad term that does not specify the number of people that has to be addressed through it to distinguish it from general medium of communication. Mass media has evolved as one of the most successful mediums to convey common information to a large number of people. In recent years, with the advancement in technology, mass media has gained more prominence. It has become one of the vital tools in the educational field. There was a time when teachers used to be the sole medium of communication for children, but with the rapid advent of technology, mass media gradually became an important means of communication in the field of education. While it has not overtaken or diminished the role of teachers in education, it has surely made a place for itself. In fact, mass media helps to strengthen education by disseminating information to a large number of students or learners. It has become a means to reach out to an infinite number of individuals spread across a wide geographical area. Attributes and functions of mass media. In a broad sense, mass media includes the institutions and techniques through which various forms of media are engaged to spread knowledge. These forms of media include television, computer, press, radio, internet, films, etc. They are used to reach out to a diverse and widely dispersed audience. The last century was witnessing the great leaps of mankind in the fields of information technology and electronic media. This has resulted in social scientists and engineers to come together and evaluate the possibilities of utilizing this development for the benefit of education. As such, mass media has been characterized by four attributes: broad appeal, speed, availability and low cost. Mass signifies a huge number of people in a compact group. This group of people is an audience that is unknown and unseen. Media refers to a medium through which a message is transmitted to the receiver. So, mass media refers to the delivery of information to a diversified and unidentified audience. The primary function of education is to convey knowledge, attitudes and skills to the learner. Mass media as a medium has tremendous potential in achieving this objective in an effective manner. Schools and colleges have always been the traditional means of imparting education to the students. With the advent of mass media, the avenues for communication of knowledge have increased significantly. Today, schools and colleges can integrate with mass media to increase their reach. Mass media has become prominent tools to spread ideas and philosophies. In the field of education, mass media is instrumental in making available a large amount of information and in handling of that information in a competent manner. Relevance and role of mass media in education. The world has been witnessing rapid growth in the fields of information and technology in the last few decades. This growth of technology has touched every sphere of human life, including education. The dawn of new age information technology has helped to revolutionize education at both the methodical level and the conceptual level. One of the most significant aspects of information technology is that it has opened avenues for a huge volume of information. This technology has also helped to improve the quality and productivity of information and devised methods to handle information in a more competent method than before. Today, the developed and the developing countries are seeking means to enhance education at all levels, but an ever increasing population and ever increasing information are posing serious problems. The issue of education is suffering due to the population issue. It is not possible to address all the needs of education of this vast population through the conventional methods. This is where the significance of mass media is realized. It is an ideal means to spread education at all levels. India is a nation driven by policies. Our traditional policies of education do not leave much scope for mass media, but the national policy on education gave importance to the use of educational technology for the improvement of education in the context of both quality and quantity. The educational policy stated that modern education technology must be made available to the distant and far flung areas and deprived sections of the society. It must not remain confined to the areas or sections of society where it can be made readily available. The term education technology refers to the use of all forms of modern media and methods for enhancing the learning experience. It sought to find a way to address both the issues of knowledge explosion and population explosion. Educational technology has the advantage of being easy, interesting and cost effective. Due to the issue of population explosion, higher education needs to be more dynamic, varied and efficient than before. This means there must be an improvement in various aspects of higher education, such as the instructional facilities, research and evaluation. In such a scenario, mass media can be of immense importance. Mass media can be an effective tool to equalize educational opportunity and to improve the reach and the quality of education. Regardless of being higher education or general education, mass media plays an important part. Generally, mass media can be utilized in the educational field as support models. These support models can be explained in two basic but overlapping methods. Mass media can be considered as part of environment in which learning activities are designed and given shape. This model is similar to what is actually followed by the distance education institutions. Mass media can be introduced into the environment as indirect elements or tools to be handled by the teachers. This model is used to supplement additional information that is considered to be useful and important in the context of education. Major components of mass media for education. Generally, educational media comprises of textbooks, workbooks, worksheets, print materials such as records and tapes, audio materials, motion pictures and photographic materials, games, apparatus, charts, maps, graphic materials, etc. Students may access any of these media based materials while they are inside the classrooms. Such materials can also be accessed from the institutions or college resource center. Though most of these media had their origin outside the context of education, they have served as effective tools for making the learning process more interesting for the students. As such, they have now been accepted as educational components that arrest the interest of students and help them to learn better. The advent of information technology has helped the cause of this area of education as well. Today, there are several new components that can be utilized to enhance learning. These components help to achieve teaching objectives in a better manner. While they make classes interesting for the students, these components make it easy for teachers to convey their ideas or introduce students to various new concepts and notions. The various components of mass media are as follows. Radio. Radio is an effective component of mass media that can be utilized in the field of education. Radio clubs or forums can be formed to spread education to every nook and corner of the country. Students can listen to the radio programs as a follow-up measure to the information or knowledge that they have already gained. They can form groups to listen to such program and then discuss the topic. This method requires the listeners to have some reference material that they can refer to while listening to the radio. The effectiveness of radio broadcasts can be increased if organizers encourage participation of listeners in a post broadcast discussion session. Radio is a cost effective medium that covers a very wide area. It is easy to use and can reach remote areas easily. However, this is an audio medium only and individual instruction is not possible on a radio. Television. The television is a tool of mass media that can be used for educational purposes. There can be various educational programs on television. Since it is an audiovisual medium, students can be instructed and explained with the help of diagrams and charts also. Television is a medium that helps to connect to a huge number of learners. It is possible to connect to learners residing in distant areas. If students have materials to refer to while watching an educational program on television, they can better understand the concepts or ideas discussed on the TV show. The only drawback is that television is an expensive medium. The newspaper. The newspaper is a component of mass media with a huge audience base. Its accessibility reaches up to even interior areas. It is also one of the most inexpensive and popular means of mass communication. Newspapers can be used in the educational scenario to provide detailed news or information that can reach a very wide base of learners. Modern newspapers use illustrations and graphics to attract readers. This feature can be utilized to make educational articles and news items more informative and interesting for the students. The magazine. An educational magazine is another means of mass media communication. Instructors can instruct students through the means of magazines. They can put in exercises or other activities that can be followed by the students. Like a newspaper, a magazine can also have a wide reach. Moreover, magazines can be specifically designed to cater to a particular category of students. Magazines are one of the strongest components of mass media. Books. One of the most prominent components of mass media is books. Books are also the most significant aspect of the education process. Books can be used to explain and interpret any subject matter or topic. Books also have a wide reach. As a means of mass media, books help to transmit huge volume of knowledge and information. They can be translated into different languages and can be distributed to a large number of students for their benefit. Educational films. Educational films serve as an effective means of mass media. They can be made interesting to arrest the attention of the students. Educational films are mainly produced to fulfill some instructional objectives. Due to the combination of audio and video effects, they bring alive the concepts of instructions offered through the film. As a result, students find it easy as well as interesting to learn from such a medium. Multimedia. Multimedia is another component of mass media that is very popular among the students. Multimedia can be a wide variety of things such as images, text, graphics, audio and video. Multimedia requires the use of a computer. One of the main features of multimedia is interactivity. It allows students to get information through interactive programs. It is a powerful means to transmit ideas and concepts in a lively way. CDs and DVDs. With the advancement of technology, compact discs or CDs and digital video discs or DVDs have also gained tremendous popularity. These discs are widely used by people to store data, information, audio and video files, etc. Such discs are a means of mass media as they are cost effective and can be used for a large number of files. These discs can be used to store files in various languages. One of the best things about the discs is that they can be used to store educational information. Students can save a huge amount of data along with maps, charts, references, e-books and other materials and use it as and when needed. Teleconferencing. Teleconferencing is a flexible means of mass media. It can be very effective for distance education. It facilitates two-way communication among the users who may be sitting at different and distant locations. This means of mass media facilitates immediate feedback from teachers or instructors. Teleconferencing can be of three kinds: audio teleconferencing, video teleconferencing and computer teleconferencing. However, this method has one drawback. It is a costly method of instruction and needs sophisticated technology. Internet. One of the most effective means of mass media is the Internet. This revolutionary technology can be accessed from any computer that is connected through the TCP or IP protocol. The Internet provides a host of services that can be used for educational purposes. Some such services are sending and receiving electronic mail or email, file transfers, subscription to news groups or academic websites, access of desired information from a huge reserve of information available online, unlimited links and networks for academic users and several other advantages related to educational courses. It can also help distant learners in taking courses and tests through the Internet. There are online libraries for accessing books. It is also a great medium to share information and have discussion with instructors or other students. Mass media and distance education. The emergence of information technology is having an increasing effect on the conventional methods of imparting education. One of the new approaches to gain popularity is the distance education method. As the name implies, it is a way of imparting education to students who are unable to attend classes directly in an education institution. Thus, the delivery of education becomes independent of time and space. Due to the advancement in communication technology, this form of education gained ground. With the increase of avenues of mass media, distance education is becoming more popular than ever. In this method of education, a student approaches an institution with his or her specific requirements and constraints. Some institutions allow students to take up distant courses set for particular levels of education, while other institutions develop multimedia packages based on the specific requirement of the student. Whatever be the process, the student is not required to attend classes physically. Components of mass media help such students to remain in touch with the institution or the instructors and continue to gain knowledge even while being physically away. The teachers in such cases takes on the role of managing the teaching learning process. In the traditional methods of teaching, media is used to help the teacher to improve learning, whereas in distance education, media becomes the fundamental educational input. Role of teacher in education through mass media. A teacher plays a significant role in the field of education by means of mass media. A teacher is the one who instructs students and guides them towards the fountain of knowledge. Teachers can take active participation in mass media components to guide the students in their education and make classes livelier. For instance, a teacher may organize and participate in educational shows on television. A teacher may help students by finding outlook and references and providing additional information about the topic under discussion. A teacher can awaken the interest of students by providing students with additional materials such as charts and maps. A teacher can find out relevant documentaries or short educational films for students to make them understand a topic in a better manner. In short, mass media provides the means to attain information. A teacher guides the student to understand and utilize that information for his or her development and betterment. New media and education. Mass media is undergoing revolutionary changes. There has been tremendous advancement in the field of information technology. This has resulted in the invention of new concepts and ideas that have rendered the world to a small techno village. Such media are referred to as new media. Some of the new media have gained immense popularity as compared to the others. A couple of inventions like mobile technology and internet have changed the way people communicate and keep in touch. Today, a mobile phone allows people to not only make calls, but also to perform a host of other activities. Blogs and articles provide updated information about each and everything under the sun. Social media has helped to build large networks through which people stay in touch at all times of the day. Social networking sites are becoming the latest platforms through which a wide number of people can be addressed effectively. This new media can be utilized for educational purposes. It can help teachers to reach out to students. A prominent aspect of new media is that it provides access to online content at any time. Let me summarize the session. Mass media can be defined as the channels of communication through which information is communicated to a large number of people simultaneously. Mass media plays a significant role in education. It facilitates the spread of education to distant regions. Mass media can be an effective tool to equalize educational opportunities and to improve the reach and the quality of education. There are various components of mass media such as television, radio, newspaper, CDs, DVDs, internet, books, etc. Mass media is also very effective in the field of distance education. With the increase of avenues of mass media, distance education is becoming more popular than ever. Today, new media is also advancing at a rapid speed. This form of media can also be used for educational purposes. Now, you can try to answer the questions given here. What are the attributes and functions of mass media? What is the role of mass media in education? Describe about any three components of mass media for education. Internet is a component of mass media for education. Justify. What is the role of teacher in education through mass media? How can multimedia, CDs and DVDs act as means of mass media for education? Hope that you may go through the reference books for further reading. Essentials of Educational Technology, written by Agarwal JC and published by Vikas Publishing House Private Limited, New Delhi in the year 2009. Role of mass media in higher education and its economic viability, Part 2, Mass Media and Higher Education, written by Tiwari S and published in International Journal on Recent and Innovation Trends in Computing and Communication, Issue 1, Volume 4, from pages 195 to 206 and published in 2013. Thank you for watching this program. We can meet again with another topic. Have a nice day.